Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you the type of soil that the plants love and how to test your soil to see if you have the right type. Here's a clip from the show. So in order for a plant to create above average yields, it must be in the right environment, and the biggest key to this is the soil that the plants grow in. It's the secret weapon to a fantastic garden and huge production. Has the thought of the soil type your plants grow in ever crossed your mind? Have you ever asked your plant, well, what type of soil do you want to grow in? You know, there's two basic types of soil. There's sandy and there's clay soil, or kind of a combination of both. The soil does four things for your plants. It supports them physically so they can be anchored to the earth and stand upright in the wind. The soil provides oxygen for the roots, and the soil provides moisture for the roots. A soil which has too much sand can cause the roots to get dry, and this can damage the roots. And a clay soil can hold too much water, and this can drown the roots by depriving them of oxygen. And number four, the soil also houses the microbes and the nutrients. So the microbes in the soil make the nutrients available for the plants to absorb. And a soil that is rich in a number of microbes will provide the plant with nutrients that it needs to thrive. So here's the problem. 99% of us have the wrong type of soil for optimum vegetable plant growth. Most people just plunk their plants down in whatever soil they have, and this is why most people have poor results. No one bothers to ask the plant what type of soil it would like to grow in. You know, vegetable plants, they're really picky about the soil type, and they will do best in a sandy loam soil with added organic matter. So if you'd like to test your soil to see if it has the right amount of sand and clay mixture, grab a handful, and if it sticks together, it has too much clay. If it crumbles, it has enough sand to make a really great soil. The last part of the equation of soil that the plants love is the organic matter in the soil. So most soil doesn't have enough organic matter. So organic matter provides a home for the microbes and the nutrients for the plants and the worms. So ideally for vegetable plants, you want at least 6% organic matter, and I like mine closer to 30%. So the soil in my yard is all clay. It would take years to amend this to create the perfect soil for plants to grow in. So I don't use any of the soil that is in my yard. I create on purpose the perfect soil that I grow my plants in. So when you have the soil that the plants like to grow in, magic happens in your garden. And this is how to make a garden super productive and easy. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 4. Now if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. This show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance garden education. So if you are tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears, and you want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is the garden education for you. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. There are 7 seasons, that's over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch the show and say it's better than those popular streaming channels. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the high performance garden nuggets. Oh, and by the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too, so please share the show with them. They will be thanking you later. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.